Hello and welcome to this Transload tutorial video. Today I will demonstrate how to build a pallet with sorting by SKU. This video will show Transload mode number 3. Building pallets with sorting by SKU. In this mode, all orders must be sent via API and a destination is required. Here are some sample destinations. Once the order comes in, for example RN17, this order has 2 items. Package 001 and package 002. Package 001 goes to Texas and package 002 goes to Arizona. You can use the RN number to proceed to window check-in. When you add the receipt, you can find it by the RN number or the container number. Assign the assignee and select a loading dock. Once you check in, the system will create a check-in number. Open the app and the assignee will receive a transload receive task for this order in the container. Scan the window check-in numbers and select the loading dock. The first step is to scan the location. Next, select the destination. For this order, you need to ship to Texas and Arizona. Click on Texas and add the product, which has 10 cases to Texas. Let's say you want to build 5 cases per pallet. One pallet will contain 5 cases. For pallet quantity, input 2, meaning you have 2 pallets of 5 cases each, totaling 10 cases. For the copy of each pallet, enter the number of pallet labels you want to print. Some customers may require 1 pallet label for each side of the pallet. If you only need 1 label, enter 1. Take a picture if needed. Print the label and submit. When you print the label, ensure you have scanned the printer from the printer hub first. This item has been received. If you look at the review, the system generates a new pallet label for its destination, Texas. Then, start working on the Arizona pallet. For Arizona, add the product, which has 20 cases. If you want to build 1 pallet, you can input 20 cases for this pallet. Build 1 pallet and 1 label. Print the label and submit. When done, close the task and confirm. The transload is completed. When you go back to the outbound system, it will automatically create a load for each destination, Arizona and Texas. Once the driver picks up the load, go to window check-in. If the truck ships to separate destinations, check in for each truck. If the truck has 2 stops, you can load both at the same time. Assign the assignee and select the loading dock. Check in. When you open the app again, the assignee will receive a transload load task. It will be task 53 with load number 6 and load number 7 for Texas and Arizona. Scan the check-in number and select a loading dock. For the load, it's already assigned to the destination for that pallet. For Texas, scan the pallet for Texas. If you go back to the original RN, which is RN17, it will show the pallet labels that need to be printed. Scan 2 pallets for Texas. Take a picture if needed. Complete the load and start the second stop, Arizona. For Arizona, follow the same process. Scan the pallet, take a photo if needed, and input the seal number. Then click Complete Load. If you need to make any changes, you can always reopen the load task and adjust the load pallet. Once done, close the task and confirm. The transload will be completed. When you go back to the original RN, the status will update to show that 3 pallets have been shipped. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please explore our extensive library of tutorial content.